Welcome to 5685 Orchard Lane West in Grand Bay, Alabama. This beautiful gold fortified home is a 4-bedroom with 3.5 baths. It's almost 2,500 square feet. It has beautiful quartz countertops in the kitchen as well as the baths. Tray ceilings in the living area, in the dining room, in the foyer, and in the primary suite. Just beautiful molding in this home. Got a double tray here, nice size pantry, white quartz countertops with a gas range, as well as a tiled backsplash in the kitchen. Lots of character, lots of natural light. An open floor plan here. The kitchen overlooks the living area as well as the back porch. Here's one of the guest bedrooms with a dual vanity. The water closet and the shower closes off from the vanity so multiple people can be getting ready at the same time. The second guest bedroom. Another hallway bathroom here, which is a full bath as well. Nice size laundry room. To the primary suite. You have a half bath off the living area here. Here's the primary bedroom with the double tray ceiling. The primary bath features dual vanities, a tiled shower plus a soaking tub. You have a nice size walk-in closet as well. Wooden shelves in all the closets and the pantries in this home. Nothing is done cheaply. Everything's done like a custom build. You have your water closet here, and then across from that you have a nice sized linen closet. This home has luxury vinyl plank throughout. It doesn't have any carpet. You have a nice screened-in back porch. Nice size yard as well. Call today for your private showing and let me see how I can get you into this home for the most affordable monthly payment you can imagine. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.